My family. Number 1, there are 4 members in my family. Number 2, I or me. You can write both up. Me, my father, my mother, and my sister. Number 3, my sister name is Rida. She is 3 years old. Number 4, my father is a. You can write any profession. My father is a doctor. My father is a engineer. And my mother is a housewife. And my mother is a teacher. Number 5, we all love and take care of each other. Number 6, at weekends we go for picnic, or we can say at weekends we go for outing. Number 7, we enjoy time with each other. Number 8, I like my family very much. You also can add one sentence that I have a small family, or you can say my family is very small. Me, my father, mother, and my sister. I have one more essay on my family. So here it is. It has 14 points. Let's start from number 1. My name is Hassan. My name is Sarah. I am 9 years old. I am 10 years old. I have a loving and caring family. Number 3, we are 7 family members. We are 7 family members. My grandfather and my grandmother who tells us stories. Number 5, my father and mother, my elder brother and younger sister. Mean he is telling about his family or her family, that there are family members, my grandfather and grandmothers in my family, and my father, mother, my elder brother and younger sister. So he is telling about these. They both are study in my school. Mean my brother and sister. They both are study in my school and we go to school together. My father is a policeman and my mother is a housewife. You can add according to yourself here. Number 8, my parents and my grandparents love 3 of us. हम 3 बहन भाइयों से, तीनों बहन भाइयों से बहुत प्यार करते हैं. We spend time together and enjoy it. Number 10, we also go for picnic after 1 or 2 weeks and have fun. Number 11, all family members love, care and respect for each other. Number 12, my family is my first school. My family is my first school mean I learned a lot of things. I learned so many things from my family. 13, I have great love and respect for my family. Number 14, I like my family very much.